Welcome to digitalconstructive.com and welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about the C-51 license, also known as the structural steel contractor license. So a structural steel contractor fabricates and erects structural steel shapes and plates of any profile, perimeter, or cross-section that are or may be used as structural members for buildings and structures, including the riveting, welding, rigging, and metal roofing systems necessary to perform this work. And that definition is straight from the CSLB website, and that's the Contractors State License Board. So essentially, the C-51 license is a requirement for anybody looking to bid on structural steel projects where the total cost exceeds $500 in labor and materials. Now, how long does it take to get a California contractor license? You're looking at an average time frame of about 90 days. Generally, there'll be a 6 to 8 week application processing time, and then maybe another 3 to 4 weeks before you go and take your test. Now, there's different factors that can make the time frame take a lot longer than 90 days, but on average, that's about how long it takes. Now, the basic requirements for a C-51 license are that you're at least 18 years of age, you've got to have a valid driver's license or USA ID, you've got to have a Social Security or ITIN number, you can't currently be on probation or parole. Experience requirements are that you have at least 4 years full-time journey level experience within the last 10 years. You've got to have somebody who can sign off on that experience. And then you've got to be able to submit documentation to the CSLB backing up your experience if they ask to see documentation. Now, who can you use to sign off on your experience on your work certification? You could use a general engineering contractor. You could use a C-51 license holder. You could use a foreman or supervisor. You could use a fellow journeyman or employee within the last 10 years. And in some cases, you can even use a business associate. Now, the person that you choose to sign off is going to have to provide a brief, detailed description of your experience. If you need help with the application, you'll see a link pop up. Follow the link, go to our website, and you can get more information on how to make sure this process is taken care of correctly. Now, criminal history. Everybody's got to do live scan fingerprinting when applying for a California contractor license. Be honest on the application if you do have a criminal record. Typically, the CSLB is looking for charges associated with fraud, forgery, and embezzlement. So if your charges don't fall under those categories, you should be fine. But you'll want to be ready to submit any court documents just in case. Now, what's on the exam? There's going to be 2 parts. There's 115 questions covering contractor license law. There'll be another 115 questions covering structural steel. You'll have 3 hours to complete each portion of the test. It's a multiple choice exam done on site on a computer, and you can bring a translator the day of the exam if you need to. Now, the C-51 license portion of the exam covers planning and estimation, job preparation, shop fabrication, field erection, and safety. Now, for a deeper look at the test, you can definitely check out the complete guide. It's in the description, shows you everything that you need to know about the exam. Now, after you pass your test, you'll get your results immediately. Typically, you can retake the test within about 3 weeks, and then you pay your license activation and you provide a contractor bond number. And then you get your contractor license in the mail in about 2 to 3 weeks. Now, the costs associated with the contractor license are you're going to pay a state application fee, you'll pay a license activation fee, and then a renewal fee every 2 years. You'll pay for fingerprinting, and then there's a contractor bond fee. Now, there's a separate video covering how much it costs to get a California contractor license right now. I suggest you check out that video at the end. And then there's also a video explaining contractor bonds. So in conclusion, getting your C-51 license can be a very smooth process if you've got the correct information, if your application's filled out correctly, and then obviously you pass the exam the first time. All of these things we can help you out with. Check out our website for more information. Just want to thank you for watching. For any additional information, check out some of our other videos. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have a comment, drop it in the comments and we'll make sure that we get to that. But again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.